All right, here's a just-in-time video to help you with the Dichotomous Key Lab coming up. I have here an assortment of top 10 favorite candies, and we're going to create a dichotomous key to identify each of these candies. So we need to get a screen with a little more room. First of all, think of one characteristic that all of these items either are or are not. As I look at them, first thing that comes to my mind, because that's the way I think about things, is chocolate. Each of these items either are or are not chocolate. So step one, is this chocolate? And just with that one question, we have eliminated half of these that we're not going to consider. So let me cross off the ones that are not chocolate. So if yes, go to step 2. If no, we'll have to wait to fill that in. So step 2, now that we are looking at only the ones that are chocolate, we've got Crunch, Kit Kat, Hershey's, or M&M's. Is there a characteristic that some of these are and some of these are not? The one that comes to my mind as I look at these, is it a bar? Is it a bar? It a bar? Question mark. If it's yes, go to step 3. If it's no, it's M&M's. We have identified M&M's specifically. The other 3 are bars. So step 3. Is there a characteristic that some of these are and some of these are not? Can we think of something that would help us differentiate between these 3? Okay, looking at it, I say, is it only chocolate? If yes, go to step 4. If it's yes, we have the Hershey's bar. Sorry, Hershey's bar. If it's no, go to step 4. We have restricted the Hershey's bar specifically because the Crunch and the Kit Kat have other things besides chocolate in them. So now, step 4, we can also look at things like packaging. Is it in a blue wrapper? Question mark. If it's yes, it's a Crunch. It's a Crunch bar. If it's no, it's a Kit Kat. We are down to those 2. And we have created that dichotomous key that specifically identifies each of those chocolates. Now we have to go back and do the same thing for the non-chocolate items. Now that I know that chocolate's going to take me through step 4, we can say up here, if it's no, go to step 5. And then in step 5, we will look at those non-chocolate items and go through the same process until we can specifically identify each one of those. Good luck with that Dichotomous Key Lab.